The preparation of the 44th SADC Summit continue to gear up with more developments and rehabilitation taking place. Sabina mashoko tiona aiwa chipata panguwa inoi Mozambique prepare for the upcoming SADC Summit. Kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda aiwa monyo gomuchinzi. Zimbabwe will be hosting this year's special SADC Summit in August under the theme Promoting Innovation to Unlock Opportunities for Sustainable Economic Growth and Development towards Industrialized SADC. The summit will once again put the country at the tail of the regional board, with the President Mnangagwa taking up chairmanship of the regional bloc. SADC is a strategic regional economic community with a cohort of 16 member states. Cabinet on Tuesday received and noted the progress made in the preparations for hosting the 44th SADC Summit in August 2024, as presented by Vice President General Retired Dr. Constantino Chiwenga. In a post-cabinet briefing on Tuesday, Information Publicity and Broadcasting Service Minister Jennifer Mswere said the government was rehabilitating 3 main access roads leading to the new parliament building in Mount Hampton, including the internal circulation roads. Domashuka tukonoti vakona vari muchipatapata muri Zimbabwe tazofesa reality manje ndoda kuti vanhu vakunyasa kuona kuti aiwa SADC nemahead of states avo vari kuuya munyika yeZimbabwe vachizosvika. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina mucomment section medu, sanga no subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.